Alright, so hey family, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back now. And if y'all read that title down below, then y'all already know what we are here for today, y'all. It's been a long time since I done did a hair review for y'all, a hair anything for y'all, but I'm back today. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. Comment down below what y'all ready to eat for Thanksgiving. Comment down below what y'all doing for Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? I'm so ready to go eat me some chitlins. But yeah, I got this nice headband. Well, we finna see if it's nice. It looked nice on the website. I got this headband wig from Amazon, and I was coming to review it for y'all so y'all can see if y'all want to go get it. So I'm about to open this package up. I'm gonna take it out the box real quick, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like, and then we're gonna get to installing it. Okay. Ooh, this box is pretty. It's green. Look at that. So this is the company. All right, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got the wig. Here we have the wig. It come in a box like this. It got a net on it, and inside they sent us a cute little headband, which I don't think I'll get a chance to wear today. They sent a liner wig cap to put on your head before you put the wig on. And they sent these cute lashes, honey. Oh. Okay. Just the little thing in the bag where you tighten it up. It's the headband portion. Okay, and this is a 16-inch. A 16-inch natural brown, but y'all know I'm gonna leave everything in the description bar. Okay, so upon me running my fingers through it, I'm about to show y'all what I got, okay? Yeah, that's all the shedding that I just got when I just took it out the pack and ran my fingers through it. But it is very, very soft. It's very, very soft. Really soft. And this is supposed to be a 16-inch, so we're gonna see, honey, after I get to tweezing and styling and all that cute stuff. So let me go ahead and get these this hair braided down really nice and flat, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the wig on. I did put some two-strand twist in there just so my curls can be a little bit more defined. And you do have combs in the back.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
And baby, this is the look. Alright y'all, so if y'all like this wig, if y'all like this review, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let me know some more hair companies that you would like for me to review for y'all, because this one is definitely giving. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one.